Today I'm going to make my own food again. We call it geelwors in rice. It's sausage and rice, and yellow rice, with a bit of curry in and everything. I'll show what it looks like when it's done. So this is all that will be going into the dish. I'll be making everything in one dish, starting with the rice at the bottom and the top the wors. I'll put the measurements also in the recipe to follow. Okay. Then it's going to taste, but I'm going to put a tin of pineapple pieces in as well, the whole tin. And that is what the finished product looked like. I'll have a taste right now and tell you what it tastes like. Okay. Okay, and here's the finished product. I don't know if you can see. There's the rice, and there's the sausage, the wors, boerewors, and there's a green pepper, onion, everything in. So let's taste it and see what it tastes like. I really like it. It's very nice. I like to write this because of my own food, but if I have to, I'll really give it an 8 out of 10. Cheers guys, till next time. Love you all.